100% made out of our shops in the USA, measured to the exact length, inspected for quality, and then assembled on a mass scale. From simply adding a simple hatch to making an entire boat from scratch, these hatches are the way to do it. Selecting your hatch size is pretty easy. Just visit our website, TBNation.net, and search dry hatch. Choose your hatch size. Remember, the hatch size is the actual hole size that you will make in your deck. The dry track frame the lid sits in has an overhanging flange on all sides, which accounts for an additional 3 inches. The lid can come gapped for 2 different sizes, EVA foam or carpet. So unless you're using carpet on these hatches, the EVA foam selection will also account for painting, rhino lining, anything else other than carpet. You can also select additional add-ons, like rivets to install the hatch, and pre-installed white cap latches. You can choose from a variety of different latches we offer for this application. In a few weeks, you'll get them, and then they'll be ready to drop into your frame that you've created, or the hole that you've made for your boat deck. Once they're lined up the way you want them, go ahead and install them with countersink rivets or self-tapping countersink screws. You can even attach struts to these with no problems. You can basically create the deck of your dreams, however big hatches you want, however many, in whatever placing you'd like, whatever fits your application and suits your needs to solve the problems you need on your boat. Our standard hatches are 1/8 inch thick aluminum. Our ultralight hatches are 1/16. Both sit in the same style dry track frames that piece together like a puzzle when you put your boat together. The results from this can be eye-popping at first glance and solve all the issues you may ever run into on your boat. So if you ever just wanted one more hatch to make your boat more complete, or just wanted to build a boat from scratch like this one, we have you right here.